Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add TikTok to Instagram. You can easily link your TikTok to your Instagram profile, since it's an awesome way to attract a whole new audience, and linking your Instagram account is super easy. All you need is your smartphone, make sure you have a strong internet connection, and you're good to go. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Here's how to do it. Tap open your TikTok application first and go to your profile by tapping on the profile button at the bottom right corner. From your TikTok profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner and now tap on Share Profile under Account. Under Share To, tap Copy Link. Your TikTok username link has been copied. Now go open your Instagram and tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile and go to the Bio section. Simply paste in the link that you copied earlier and then tap the tick mark at the top right. Tap the tick mark at the top right one more time. Now you have included a TikTok profile link to Instagram, but if you'd like to make your TikTok profile clickable so that people will be able to reach your profile, then you can simply paste this link into the website text box. Once you do that, click on the tick mark at the top right, and if anyone clicks on that link, they'll be redirected to your TikTok profile, as you can see it right here. That is how you can easily add or link your TikTok to Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.